If your Windows search box suddenly turned blank after installing KB5089549, you're not alone. Some Windows 11 users on 24H2 and 25H2 have reported that search opens but fails to load results, shows an empty panel, or becomes completely unusable. Right now, this appears to be based on ongoing user reports in Microsoft Q&A discussions rather than an officially confirmed widespread Microsoft issue. The important thing is not to panic and immediately uninstall the update. In many cases, Windows search problems can be fixed safely without rolling anything back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the safest troubleshooting steps first, starting with simple service restarts and ending with rollback options only if absolutely necessary. Confirm the symptom. Before changing anything, confirm exactly what's happening with Windows Search. Open the Start menu or click the search icon and check whether the search panel loads correctly. Some users report a completely blank white or black panel, while others see the search interface open without showing results. In some cases, typing works, but nothing loads underneath. This matters because different symptoms can point to different causes, such as indexing problems, broken services, or temporary Explorer glitches. Also test whether File Explorer search is affected or only the Start menu search experience. If the problem started shortly after installing KB5089549, restart Windows Explorer. One of the fastest fixes is restarting Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, then scroll until you find Windows Explorer in the Processes list. Right-click it and choose Restart. Your taskbar and desktop may briefly disappear and reload. That's normal. Windows Search is closely connected to Explorer, so restarting it can immediately restore a broken or frozen search panel. This step is safe, quick, and often fixes temporary UI glitches caused after updates or background crashes. After Explorer reloads, test the search box again to see if results appear normally. Many users stop here because the issue resolves immediately without deeper troubleshooting. Restart the Windows Search Service. If restarting Explorer does not help, the next step is checking the Windows Search Service itself. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter to open services. Scroll down until you find Windows Search. Right-click the service and choose Restart. Then double-click it and confirm that startup type is set to automatic. If the service is disabled, delayed, or stuck, Windows Search may fail to load properly even though the interface still opens. Restarting the service refreshes indexing operations and reconnects background search components. After restarting it, give Windows a few seconds and test search again. Run the Search and Indexing Troubleshooter. Windows also includes a built-in troubleshooter, specifically for search problems. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Look for Search and Indexing and run it if available on your build. The troubleshooter checks for common problems like broken indexing, permission issues, disabled services, or corrupted search setting. While troubleshooters are not perfect, they can automatically fix small configuration issues without requiring advanced commands. During the process, Windows may ask what specific issue you're experiencing, such as search results don't appear or files can't be found. Choose the option that matches your situation most closely. Once complete, restart the PC if prompted and test search again. Check Windows Update for follow-up fixes. Before uninstalling KB5089549, check Windows Update for newer patches or cumulative fixes. Microsoft sometimes releases small follow-up updates, servicing fixes, or Defender platform updates that quietly resolve problems reported after Patch Tuesday releases. Open Settings greater than Windows Update and check for updates manually. Also install optional updates if Microsoft has released a newer preview or hotfix update related to search or stability improvements. It's usually safer to move forward to a newer fix than immediately rolling backward to an older build. Many temporary Windows Update bugs get corrected within days through cumulative patches. Staying updated also helps avoid compatibility issues with security fixes and drivers. Last resort options. If none of the earlier fixes work, then you can consider stronger recovery options. One option is uninstalling KB5089549 temporarily through settings greater than Windows Update, greater than Update History, greater than Uninstall Updates. However, this should be treated as a last resort rather than the first troubleshooting step. Removing cumulative updates can sometimes introduce other stability or security issues, which refreshes Windows system files without deleting your personal data. Advanced users may also use DISM and SFC repair commands before considering a rollback. The goal is to restore search while keeping the system stable and secure. Only move to these recovery steps if the machine remains genuinely unusable after all earlier troubleshooting. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to TechFix guides for more clean and practical Windows troubleshooting tutorials. And in the comments, tell me, did restarting Explorer fix it, or did you need to rebuild the search index?